Okay, you mad modelers out there. A few posts back, I said that I needed to connect my rudder servo and my aileron servos together to free up the rudder channel. Well, I am unveiling to you tonight the reason why I wanted the rudder channel open for another function. First of all, I want to ask Mr. Dubois here for his airplane that's almost finished. How does he fly it? He said, well, you go back for up, forward to go down, and then that's right and that's left with the ailerons and the rudder. Hey, that's pretty cool. You got anybody you want to say hi to? He says, oh yeah, I'll say hi to everybody. That's the rudder channel right there, is him waving. The landing gear channel moves his arm back, and my auxiliary channel moves his head. Plus his head is mixed with the controls so he can see where he's going. Anyway, I thought you guys would like that.